China's engagement has played a role in helping Ethiopia make advancements in exploring space science. In December 2019, Ethiopia launched its first-ever satellite, EDRSS-1, with support from the Chinese government. A year later, Ethiopia launched the second Chinese-backed satellite, ET-SMART RSS, from China's Wenchang spacecraft launch site. Dawi Kasso is one of the Ethiopian pioneers in this field. He expressed his pride and amazement at the success of the satellite project in Ethiopia in such a short span of time.
በዚህ ፕሮጀክት ላይ እኛም ከዚህ ደረጃ ላይ እንድንደርስ የቻይናዎች እገዛ በጣም ትልቅ ነበረ እና የቻይና ኮሊጎችን ሁሌም እጅግ በጣም ነው ምናመሰግናቸው 24 ሰዓት ያለማቋረጥ ከስልጣና በኋላ ለምን ፈልጋቸው ነገሮች ሁሉ ሁሌም ለመልስ ዝግጁ ናቸው።
Launch and in orbit operation of the satellites, Ethiopian team have been working with Chinese partners. So we have got many training in different phases of satellite development and in orbit operation. So all this training helped us to gain a technology transfer in the satellite industry.